Hello, you're welcome to the pronunciation mastery training, the sample freemium edition. And I want to ask you a simple question here. Are you tired of being self-conscious whenever you speak English language? Are you tired of feeling embarrassed whenever you speak English language? Well, I want to to welcome you right away to the mastery training, which will definitely change your life, which will change your communication skill, your pronunciation skill drastically. So I want you to stay put and stay tuned, as I will be unfolding for you or unveiling to you three different pronunciation techniques which will definitely improve your pronunciation skills. So I have with me the first one right here, eliminating the H factor. This is very important here. I don't know if you've had something like, or something like hand Howard, hand Howard, okay? Opens, opens, hand H, hand H. I'm also seeing out a word there, okay? Eliminating, eliminating, or eliminating, eliminating. Have you ever heard of anything like that before? Okay, let me come down a bit. Maybe I have more words there. Okay, I have a word here with beginning with vowels sound. Enjoyed, enjoyed, enjoyed. Hortium, hortium, hortium. Hair, hair. I'm sure you've heard a couple of things before. Okay, you've heard egg. I want to eat. I want to heat egg. I want to heat egg. I want to heat egg. If you've had anything related to that before, or probably you are the one even inculcating this habit, you need to start taking note of why or the reason you were getting it wrong right here. So without wasting time, this is the reason here. Whenever you have a word beginning with vowels like this, you tend to let your tongue relax and you tend to make your mouth not too widely open. And that is why the sound appears before your vowel sound. That is why you tend to say han, han. So I'll be giving you the technique here to avoid the H factor. And I will help you when how to pronounce or how to enunciate or articulate the words when they begin with just vowel sound, pure vowel sound. So let's begin with that, please. Now, listen to how I read this and take note of my articulation. Just kind of take note of my articulation, okay? Now let's begin with this. Harry, Harry, Harry had an. Harry had an, an. And I'm not saying han, and I'm not saying han. I'm saying an, an. Now I tend to raise my throat. My throat, I tend to raise the part of the throat inside that opens and closes. I raise it because this is vowel. So when word begins with vowel like these, instead of me saying opens, no, I'd have to say oh, oh, opens, opens, opens. You see, I am not making it fricative. I'm not making it fricative. I'm not making it hard. So take note of that, please. So let's begin again. Harry, Harry. Okay, to break. Let me come down a bit. Okay, let your mouth be belly open, just belly open, not wildly open. Belly now. Harry, 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 had, had, or head, head. Harry had an. If you call this and, probably for your practice sake, practicing sake, Of course, when you raise your mouth, you open the mouth properly so that the air could flow out of your mouth freely. Yes, let me also give you a clue here. This is vowel sound. There is one indication that makes it known that you are pronouncing a vowel sound when air flows out of your mouth freely. Eh, not he. Now, when you're trying to say, making the sound, you are obstructing the free flow of air. Take note of me. I will take note of my pronunciation there. You're trying to obstruct the free flow of air. And that is it. So let's begin again. Harry had an hour. Now take note of how I pronounce this. These and these. I said an hour. Hour. And I didn't say hour because the H here is tentatively and literally silent. Of course, we have some words like that. We're going to be treating like maybe like forfeit for you so that you wouldn't always make the sound whenever you see those words. So let's continue. Harry had an hour to hike to the hospital. He had to hurry, but enjoyed, 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 enjoyed. Now, I am not making any sound there. So I tend to open my mouth in. I don't say in. Enjoyed the autumn. The autumn air or the autumn air. The autumn. Autumn. I don't say ho. I'm saying autumn air. I don't say hair. So this is how to deal with the H factor. So if you were used to saying I went to eat, I went to heat, I went to heat, I went to heat egg. You have to stop that and start saying I went to eat egg. I went to eat egg. I went to eat egg. Take note of that, please. I'll give you the last statement as your tongue twister, probably when you get them. Now begin to practice saying, I went to eat egg. 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 Okay? So let me give you 4 words here. Don't forget it, please. Whenever the word begins with H, now you have to sound happy. I am happy, not happy. Now your mouth is not to go widen there. Your mouth has to calm down, and you allow your vocal cord inside to somehow close so that there will be friction when you pronounce the word beginning with H. Happy, help me. It's hot. But whenever it begins with a vowel sound, October, octopus, oh, my mouth opens and I never allow the friction between my vocal cord, the inside, and the other part, the other part, the other part of my articulatory organs. So that's it. Thank you very much. So I have with me 4 words here with the silent H. You have to keep note of that, please. Keep note of it. Yeah. We have words like, of course, we have one of them here. Hour, an hour, an hour, an hour, an hour. Now words like this. Yes. That is why it's only honest. It's only honest. It has to be honest. An honest man. An honest, an honest, an honest. Now here's another word here. This word also. The word also is having a silent H. So we have an honest air, an honest air, an honest air, an honest air. I have another word here with me. It's an honor. It's an honor. It's an honor. It's an honor. Honor. And I didn't say hot, I'm saying honor. And that is that for this section of the freemium December training, okay, of the December freemium training edition. That's the first section of the freemium for you. Okay. Oh, the next thing I need to remind you is this. Now watch this video. Watch it over and over again. Try to find out you yourself. You bring out words comprising age before them all with the initial age in them. Now try to pronounce them and making sure there is friction when you pronounce. And then bring out a list of words beginning with vowel sounds or vowel letters. And make sure you allow a free flow of air when you pronounce them. Then don't forget there's three, okay, half a words with me here. Of course, there are still more words there, which I still wanted to go yourself and make proper research to get to know more of them. Okay, I want to believe you have learned a couple of things within this class. You can comment in the comment section below. Let me know your comments. Let me know probably what's question might be going on in your mind. Probably can help you address them. And that is it. So while we are going to the second part of the training, stay tuned. I'm happy to have you here. Thank you. Feel free to bring in other people, bring in or you share this video with others, or you tell people, tell the good news that our training is going on. It's free, meant to polish your pronunciation skill, and that is it. Thank you. Oh, bye for now.